What's up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another Yes reaction. So today we're gonna be checking out Perpetual Change by Yes. So without further ado, let's just jump into it. Hey, that's pretty cool with the keyboards and the guitar doing that. That's really nice riff. That sound kind of reminds me of like a Western music. Like some cowboy music. Or maybe like Wild West music guitar tone it has.
I see the cold mist in the night and watch the hills roll out of sight. I watch in every single
It's pretty nice bass riff.
Inside out, outside in, every day. The sun can warm the coldest dawn.
Yeah.
And move the movement on the lawn. I learn in every single day. Inside out, outside in.
Inside out, outside in. Oh, what does that mean though? I really like that thing they're doing there. It's an illusion. Wait, what? They're talking something deep down here.
And one peculiar point I see as one of many ones of me. As truth is gathered, I rearrange inside out, outside in.
It's a cool bass line too.
Outside in, perpetual change.
I had to Google that word meaning, perpetual. It's also there in chess, something called a perpetual check, where wherever you go, the king is in check. But it can always escape the check. Is that a guitar? Hey, it's nice and calm. Hey, Hey. Okay, that was a sudden change. It's traveling. Now in my left ear. What are you doing there? Okay, it's another different tune here. That's pretty cool mixing. Each ear playing different tunes. The sound of that man. Yo, what's this thing he's talking about? Is the illusion? He's controlling you and me.
As mist and sun are both the same. We look on as pawns
What a
of
nice
the
tune, man.
game. They move to testify.
So somebody's controlling us via the pawns of the game.
Inside out, outside in, inside out, outside in, all of the way.
They switched up again. Hey. That was pretty cool. I like this. I love the sound of the guitars and bass in this one, man. You got a wide variety of guitar sounds in this song. Just one song. Man, what a great song. I really like the sound of the guitars. Like I said, there were so many, like 3-4 different sounds of like effects of guitars they used, which was pretty cool. And they also have like an amazing bass tone to it as well. And also this little switch up, little changes, little melody changes they do. It's pretty cool to listen to, man. But what I'm curious is, what is he talking about in this song? Like, it's mysterious. It's like he's talking about some sort of an illusion. Then he says how we are like a pawn in like a game, you know, in chess. Pawn is kind of like the weakest, but the thing is, it has the potential to promote to any piece, you know, queen, bishop, knight, whatever, rook. But yeah, basically just the pawn is the weakest piece. So he's saying we are pawn of their game. So we have been some sort of like being controlled by someone bigger than us. And apparently perpetual means never ending. So he says you will see perpetual change, which means a change that keeps on coming. It will never stop. It's like a cycle. It keeps on going and going. But still, you guys told me not to worry too much about the meaning. But still, I'm very curious. So please, if there is some sort of a meaning, some sort of a message in this song, please let me know down in the comments. So thank you so much for tuning in for yet another amazing Yes song. And thank you so much for watching. And as always, a big shout out for the amazing Patreon members of our little Patreon family for selecting and voting for this awesome song. So yeah, a big thank you for Space Cowboy, Joe Church, Jimbo, Jimmie V, Susan, Wenwei, Taylor Armac, Brad Baker, HiddenEye, Shadow Shape, Cathy McMahen, Dennis White, and Sominexx for supporting the channel. And make sure to comment down your thoughts regarding this song. Let me know what yes so much. I'll check next. I'll catch you guys in the next video then. Peace.